Hey guys, today we are talking about finding parts, wholes of percents. So there's a couple different ways that you might be asked to do this. You could be asked to find a part, you could be asked to find a whole, or you could be asked to find a percent. And the way that we can set up our ratio tables is generally always putting the part out of the whole. So if we're talking about a number, we would have the part of the number out of the whole number. And that would always need to be equivalent to the percent out of the whole, which is 100%. And we can use our multiplicative thinking on our ratio tables. So we're going to work through two examples, and you guys can follow along. The first one is, what number is 23% of 300? So I'm going to make a table. I'm going to make my part and my whole table. So what number is 23% of 300? So I want to know the part. I want to know 23%. And 23% is the part that is based out of the whole of 100%. But I want to know what that is out of 300. So it says, what number is 23% of 300? That means that 300 is the whole. So I am missing the part. So we're trying to find the part. And I see that in our table, I have a multiplicative relationship from 100 to 300. I can scale up by 3. Which means I can scale 23 up by 3. And when I do 23 times 3, we get 69. So 69 is 23% of 300. So that is our answer. Okay, let's look at one more. For number 2, it says 24 is what percent of 120? And so again, I'm going to make my part and my whole table. And it says 24 is what percent of 120? So 24 is the part out of the whole of 120. And we want to know the percent, which is always based out of 100%. So we are looking for our percent. All right. So I'm not exactly sure when I look at this how to get from 120 to 100 or from 120 to 24, but I see I can scale down by dividing by 12 because there are 10 12s in 120. Which means I will scale 24 down by 12 to get 2. And 2 out of 10, I can scale back up by 10, because it takes 10 10s to get back to 100. So it will take 10 2s, and we get 20%. So 24 is 20% of 120. All right, guys, thanks.